Okay, our next project that we were requested to do was something similar to what we call a drain plug. The customer came to us and said, we're having a problem with this particular part, being that it's very expensive. It's being supplied overseas, so we have to work 6 months in advance to schedule production. Secondly, the part weighs too much because we're using 48 of them per aircraft. We'd like to come up with something a little bit more cost-effective, lightweight, and less moving parts. Picture this part right here as the belly of the aircraft, the section or the belly of the aircraft. There's 48 of these holes that are half-inch holes positioned underneath the aircraft in the bilge. When the plane flies, it fills up a lot with condensation because it's flying through the air, and it could go through a cloud, could go through whatever. You got troops going in there, you got mud, you got dirt, you got sand, you got everything going on. They have to clean the aircraft out every post-flight. They need drain plugs. So what we did was we came up with this little design that, just picture this as the belly of the aircraft. And in doing so, what we came up with was a little bit of a design where you could take this and put this in the aircraft, line it up so that it fits in the hole, and then with a slight quarter turn, turn it, and it locks in place. So what we did was came up with this little quarter turn design that will cam up and ramp, and as it cams up, it squeezes swell washer here so that it will hold the part in place and it won't come loose. Now, this is all tightened up in the aircraft. This is how it sits when it's flying. We've done all the vibration, brought it up to 9 Gs, nothing failed. Now, when they're ready to unfasten it, all they do is just quarter turn this, like so, drops down. We put a wire, a safety wire, so that when it drops down, it doesn't fall on the ground. It stays in place. All the drain comes out, all the water comes out, condensation, and then after they're all through, all they have to do is just take it, bring it up, hold it in place, and again, quarter turn it, and it's done. So you got quarter turn to lock, quarter turn to close, drain, done.